Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the print settings in print in Primavera P6. With your project open, go up to the File drop-down menu and expand it. All of the print settings are under the Page Setup heading. This is where you adjust almost everything with printing. Things you need to know: you have your normal portrait landscape toggle. You can adjust the size. Most of the time you want to fit time scale to 1 page wide, and you want to make sure your paper size is set 11 by 17. If you want to have 8.5 by 11, obviously that's where you would change it. The margins are set here to be small. There's a couple of things in the header that we want to talk about. What this shows is that there's 3 different sections of the header, and when we click on this section, it pulls in information from our schedule. So project name. If you wanted to add something else, you would click on this drop-down menu and you could then add it in here. What is in the brackets is what it is pulling in. You can use other text down with the information you're pulling in from Primavera. The middle section of our header should have Andersen Construction, and we should have a print date. In the footer, we've got a Gantt chart legend. In the middle section, we've got a data date. Looks like here we've got a data date in both. We've got a page number in the middle, and then we've got a data date in the right hand section of the footer. On the Options tab, and this is the kind of the critical piece, it shows how much of the time scale that you're going to show when you print out the schedule. If you click, it'll show you the different items that you can use. If you're printing out from current date forward, which is typical, we would use current date. But a lot of times we like to give the last week of the schedule with each update. So how you would do that is you would take the current date minus 1 week, and that would change your time scale, so it would start showing activities that happened up to a week before the current date. In the same manner, with the finish on the time scale, we've used the project finish date, and then we've added 1 month to it. Here you can also list the other items that you want to be seen on your page, and if you want grid lines to help you carry across, then you can print those or not. So once you've adjusted these print settings, hit OK, come up to File, Print Preview, and it'll show you what your schedule is going to look like. You can get back into Page Setup with this shortcut in the upper left hand corner, or you can go ahead and print with these icons. Let's click into the Print Setup real quick. This is solely your printer setup, the individual printer that you're used to looking at, and you can adjust the settings, the collation, all those things here. The thing that's a little bit different about Primavera is all of the print settings are actually in Page Setup. So I hope this has helped. Good luck with your printing.